Earn money, get freelancer jobs in home. First, subscribe channel, click bell icon. Let's start. Number 1, Cantina. Cantina tops this section of the best writing freelance jobs because of the sheer volume of well-paid and high-quality jobs they always have available for writers, editors and content creators of all kinds. What I love most about Cantina is that they feature a mixture of freelance jobs and full-time remote jobs on their platform. Examples of real freelance jobs recently featured on their homepage include a $10,000 per mo ebook writing gig for a tech publication, a sports writing position, photography-focused content writing jobs, and seriously thousands of more opportunities across many industries doing freelance jobs for trustworthy companies. Number 2, freelance writing gigs. The name isn't winning any creative awards, but it gets the point across. This site is basically a well-curated job board that's updated Monday to Friday with the hottest new clients willing to pay you actual money to write things. Sounds too good to be true, right? Number 3, Blogging Pro. Despite the name, you can find everything from tasks like helping people start blogging to editing to general copywriting jobs here. They aggregate all the best writing jobs they can find to make them easy to find and search through on their site. Also, totally free. Side note, if you want to build your chops as a blogger, start with these top blogging courses today and be sure to read through my guide to finding great blog post ideas, what it takes to drive traffic to your blog and eventually how to make money blogging. Number 4, journalism jobs. If you have Dan Rather dreams, don't let them die. Check out this job board that curates journalism jobs from around the web, along with other typical writing and editing gigs thrown in. Number 5, morning coffee newsletter. This is an easy one to sign up for, then you get an email every day with the latest and greatest freelance writing jobs. Totally free, and a great way to jumpstart your search. Number 6, freelance writing. This source of writing jobs is excellent for freelancers all over the map, from brand spanking new to very experienced. It's easy to filter for the type of job you want and the experience you have, and it's totally free. Number 7, all indie writers. This site has been around for years, and you can search for the jobs that are posted and subscribe to a feed based on keywords you like. It's free to use and apply for jobs, and their layout makes it easy to compare the available projects by the client's budget. It will even indicate when the budget is low. Number 8, freedom with writing. Not only can you sign up for their newsletter with writing opportunities, you can actually submit to write for them. They pay well, but you'll need to come up with a pretty good idea to pitch. If you have a concept you think will work well, it's definitely worth a shot. While you're waiting to hear back, you can always check out the opportunities in their newsletter too. Number 9, Media Bistro. Media Bistro has a nice little variety of categories, which includes writing and editing. Their curated list features everything from book editing to PR content, so you're sure to find a few things that fit your niche. Number 10, paid to blog. Calling all bloggers. This site was thought up by a freelance writer who already went through the grind and wanted to come up with a better way. The good news is that they put together an extremely well-curated list of jobs to apply for, sorted by blog niche, and they make writing jobs available for their site as well. The bad news is that it costs $30 a month to subscribe to. If you're trying to get your freelance career off the ground on your lunch break, it could be more than worth it to invest a little money to save a lot of time. Number 11, Do. We couldn't leave out the technical writers. You can write helpful guides on invoicing, payments, blockchain currency and more. They're looking for long-form and well-researched posts, so it would be tough to break into as a newbie, but if you already have background knowledge in the area, it could definitely be worth your time. Number 12, Publoft. Publoft is a great place to find solid, well-paid, freelance jobs for reliable clients without actually ever needing to interact with the clients yourself. Their promise is to help freelancers never have to find, sell, or manage another customer again. With rates starting at $150 per post, you can work on your craft and Publoft will handle the client management side of things. And on top of that, they'll also help you become a better writer along the way. Number 13, Contently. Coming as equal parts free portfolio for creative freelancers, online publication with solid freelance advice, and a platform for scoring freelance jobs with hundreds of the most successful brands and startups in the world. Contently is a high-quality agency-style platform that, when you're hand-selected by their account management team after creating a portfolio, connects you directly with clients for very well-paid freelance writing projects. In the past, I've taken projects writing long-form blog content for the personal loan startup, Sophie, at between $600 to $1,600 per article depending upon length and scope of the project. Subscribe channel, click bell icon for more informative videos. Thank you for watching. Link are available in description.